Or living with obesity as 1 out of 8 children. But beyond the statistics, this represents a significant risk to the health and to the happiness and also the potential of our younger generations. And I think we must act immediately and to address this issue.
Love your bodies, take care of yourselves because a healthier me means a healthier we. Sama-sama tayong kumilos para sa mas malusog at mas masayang QC. And today, we formally launch our Healthy QC program. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po tayong lahat. Successful when we work together. Every choice we make towards our food and movement, every healthier habit that we build, and every act of encouragement that we give our friends and families, all of these are building blocks to a healthier city.
Bigger than any single agency. It is part of our national and global duty to guarantee that every child enjoys not just quality education, but also the foundation of good health.
So there is a especially important assignment to you who are here to also get that better understanding that you can gain from today's discussions, conference. Together we can bring that change. You who are sitting here today will be part of that. Let's work together. There is a solution, and the solution is you.
Difference are really within our reach. So now is the time for us to come together and turn our understanding into action. So with this collective effort, I feel that we can overcome the challenge of obesity and create a healthier future for our children and our community.